Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI, coming at you from a messy little boy's room. So we have a lot of trouble in this house with picking up our dirty clothes and doing chores and keeping the room nice and clean, but I have something for you that's going to make that a whole lot easier.
So this lovely little hamper here is from Bundaloo, and it has made chores a breeze and so much fun to do that my son is looking for dirty clothes to throw into it. So it's very easy to put together. My son put it together all by himself. He's 11 years old, and it was just a couple of screws, and then you hang it on the back of the door and you can throw your laundry in it. So I failed miserably at this, but you get the point. You get that it can be fun and also a little bit of a challenge, but makes chore time so much more fun, and there's not a fight when I tell him it's time to clean his room. It is super easy to empty. You just untie it, everything falls into the hamper, and then he can drag that hamper to the laundry room all by himself with no trouble.
So overall, this slam dunk laundry hamper has been a slam dunk in this house. We love it. It's so much fun. I actually think that I'm cleaning clothes that are already clean because he just likes to throw them in the hamper. But whatever, the room is getting clean. But that's just my point of view.